Notice, but that's what we probably won't notice. So we're going to bow in. Okay, like I said, hopefully you're warm. If you need any little kind of stretches and stuff, please do them as I'm nattering. Okay, but the first one we're going to do is back fist, punch, lead, and round kick. Okay, notice the round kick is off the front leg. Okay, I'm going to do it sideways on from here. Okay, so it'll be 1, 2, and then your front leg will be your round kick. Okay, now the detail that we isolated when we did this on the bag, the important bit, is that when you do your punch, so back fist and then punch, okay, at the point of your punch, your back foot goes backwards. Okay, you do the footwork while you're doing that punch. Okay. So what we will be thinking is, we go back fist, punch, so my back foot is on the right spot for this lean away kick. Okay? As I explained originally when I did these combinations, you've got to imagine that you've done something and you've got too close to your opponent. Okay? So let's say you did a front kick, punch or something like that, and they blocked them both and I'm now too close. They're standing right here. Okay? We're really kind of glove to glove. I think I don't like this, I want to be further away so I can kick. So the idea is I throw my hands while I'm close, but notice that back foot peels out. They're thinking about blocking these and hopefully not noticing that back foot. Okay, so I'm going 1, 2, and then lean kick. Okay, that's what we're aiming for. Okay, we want that back foot to move as the punch goes. Okay, so we're going to do 5 and 5. And then we'll move on to the other ones. Okay, ready? So hands up. I'm going to do them facing this way, and then I'm going to change my feet. Okay, rather than swapping direction. Okay, so it means you get to sit from front and back. Okay, ready? And back fist punch, and then lean kick. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And then we swap our feet, okay? And we do it off the other side. Ready? And 1, and 2. And like I say, this, because we're back fist, because we're like sport taekwondo, if you're seeing this and you're not that, if you say kickboxing or whatever, you can change it for a jab, okay? You can change this for jab cross. This could be hook, like head hook, body hook, okay? It could be anything, okay? As long as you've got 2 hand techniques that can lead into this peel away kick. Okay? And I think it was number 3 for this side. And 3. And 4. And 5. Okay? Good stuff. Next one is where we would have kind of left off yesterday. Like I say, there's a slightly out sequence, that's combo 7, combo 6, that we're going to now, which is going to be round kick, side kick, heel kick. Okay, round kick, side kick, heel kick, all off the same leg, but your foot touches down in between kicks. Okay, we are not going 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you want to do that sort of combination, you should have been in the balance stuff that we did yesterday afternoon. Okay, that was cut short. This is round kick down, side kick down, hook kick down. Okay, because we're doing this in the air, I do not mind if the hook kick is a sport pulled kick or a heel first full hook. Doesn't matter, okay? We did it as a sport hook kick when we were outside, but that's because it was on a bag and obviously you can't kick through the bag. If I had a partner holding the target, it would have been different, okay? Again, we'll do 5 of each leg. If you're doing this along at home, do your best. Ready? Round kick, side kick, hook kick, okay? So, round, down, side, down, hook, down, and then back. Yeah, now don't mind if you step into these kicks, hey, or you back leg it, or if you want to be very clever, you can go switch, round kick, side kick, hook kick, your choice. Does not make any difference to me, as long as the kicks are correct, because I'm thinking about foot shape, and that bounce down, and pop up in between the kicks. Okay, this is a footwork drill technique. Okay, ready, and 2, and then down, and 3, down, and 4. Now you will notice, well you might not notice, every time I go down and kick, I do shuffle a little bit on my back foot. You can see it shuffling forwards towards the camera. Because in theory, if I've got an opponent, every time I kick, they will probably shuffle back a fraction and block. Yeah? So I want that little shuffle step for me, okay? Because I want to kind of chase them down a little bit, okay? One more off that leg, and 5. Round, side, hook. Okay? Then we're going to swap legs, same on the side, okay? First set I did as a back leg, did this set as a front leg, just for a bit of variety, okay? Ready, and 1, round, side, hook, down, shuffle back, and 2, side, hook, and 3, down, and 4, and down, and then one more. I'm gonna do a back leg one. Just entertaining myself now. Ready, and 5. Lovely, lovely. Right. What's that say? I can't read that. Ooh, hello Jamie. Next one. Want to hit that double side kick. Okay, now, what I mean by that is this is a balanced one, but it does that have that, can't even speak. Does have that little shuffle push in between. Now I'm going to try and do this from sideways on, see what I'm doing. So I'm here in the corner of the screen. Hello. I don't even see myself. We're going to go side. As we chamber for the second one, we go 1, 2, and there's that little shuffle, okay? Because again, side kick is a push kick. Chances are, even if your opponent blocks it or something, they will probably just get out of the way a little bit, so you chase them down, okay? If I'm doing it on the spot, the second one might be kind of useless if I'm not chasing my opponent, okay? I don't mind if you go step, push, push. I don't mind if it's a back leg. I mean, if you're very clever and very well balanced, you can even do this as a turn double, like push double back kick. But you've got a very good balance and a very clean stop on the turn so that you can do that double push. Okay, but we'll do it as a side kick for now. Okay, but if you're doing that at home, brilliant. Okay, double side kicks and shuffle in between. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and one more, 5. Yeah, nice shuffle kick. Other leg, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then one more, 5. Now, notice, it is not a full folded side kick. Because it has a sparring connotation, that kind of gives too much away. Okay? It wants to be like kind of little jabby kicks. Bam, bam. Yeah, I'm not trying to go, having some massive motion, because they'll see it coming. Yeah, you want to go jab, jab. Okay? Same one here as if you go with that front hand. Okay? You're just trying to get them quick succession twice, sneaking that heel in just under their guard. Okay? Moving on, double round kick. This was a very quick video and I did this for combo 9 because at this point double round kick should be easy. First double kick we teach anybody ever. Okay? Again, I don't mind if it's a step up or a back leg. Okay? We want a double round kick. But if you can go too high, so body head or head body, brilliant. If we can go head head, if you're very flexible, even better. Love it. Okay, but 2 round kicks, fold and flick, fold and flick. Ready? And 1, and 2, and 3. Point them toes if you can, or sport round kick. 4, and 5. And then change feet. Just bam, bam, as fast as you can. 1, and down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, and then one more, 5. Lovely. Okay, now, coming to the last one, I'm going to read whatever that Kelly promised. Good morning, coming from Worcester, back into the class. I cannot wait to be in classes as well. Good to hear. Okay, but last one. double round kick into a turn hook kick. Okay, if you struggle with your turn hook kick, but you reckon you've got a turn back kick down, you can adapt this if you're doing this along at home. Okay, but round kicks and hook kicks kind of go together. Okay, so we're going to get a double round kick, hit that spin, and then slice that hook kick across. Nice and flat if we can. I don't want people going up, down, and hacking. That hook kick should come across fairly level. Okay, so double round kick, body and head if you can, and then hit that turning kick. Ready, and 1, and down and back, and 2, lovely, 3, and back, 4, down and back, and then one more, 5, there you go, and we change legs, same on the other side, double round kick into a turn heel kick, and then we'll be done. Ready, and 1, got to want to turn on that, so let's get a bit slow, 2, and 3, 4, and then one more, that last one. If you're doing this at home, give it a shout on the heel kick, 5, and a bit off centre, whoops.